Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how you can use GradeTransfer to grab your student grades from McGraw Hill Aleks so that you can transfer it over to your district gradebook. Let's get started. So one of the areas where you can grab is from the gradebook. And in this view, you can grab the total column. To do so, just open up GradeTransfer and click the big green Grab Data button. The students' names and scores from that column will be retrieved, and you'll get a pop-up summary showing you the information that you're holding onto. You can take this and fill it into your gradebook. Now, if you want to grab for a particular assignment, head over to the report section and click assignments, and then open up the assignment where you want to grab your students' scores. In this view, we will grab from the score column, and it can grab percent or points depending on which one you have selected. And wherever you are in Aleks, if you're trying to grab information, make sure that you have the student name visible and not one of the other pieces of information that you can select. All right, so in our assignment view, again, all you need to do is open up GradeTransfer and click the big green Grab Data button, and then your students' names and scores will be grabbed, and you can go ahead and fill them into your gradebook. That's all for now. Happy transferring.